Hey guys, welcome to question FM280 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, a map of the trails connecting 5 cabins at a snow resort, V, W, X, Y, Z, is shown below, and then we're given this little map here. Question A says, starting at V, which cabins can be reached using only one trail? So from V, we could go straight to X, straight to W, straight to Y. We can't take one trail that leads to Z though. So passing through the other cabins wouldn't be one trail. We need one edge that goes directly to that vertex. So our answer to part A would just be listing W, X, and Y. Cool. Question B, or actually before we get into question B, we're given a little bit more information. We're told a graph that represents the table of the trails is shown below, and then we're given a diagram that looks a little bit like this. Obviously looks a bit better than my little scroll here, but you guys get the general idea. So B part I says, between which two vertices is an edge missing? So we're looking at this graph down here, and we're looking for two vertices that have more routes than they have listed. So if you look through these, what you'll eventually realize is that X to Z only has one edge connecting them in our graph here, when there are actually two ways of getting from X to Z. So we can go straight along this trail here, or we can cut up and then back down, meaning that there should be another edge between X and Z. So our answer to B part I is X and Z. II says, explain why the map shows only 2 trails leaving W when the graph shows 6 edges leaving W. So what we can say here is, while there are only 2 trails that leave cabin W, there are 6 different routes that can be taken directly to other cabins. So although there's only 2 edges that leave W directly, we can go from W to V, we can go from W to X, we can go from W to Z down this route, or we can go from W to Z via that route. We can also get from W to Y this way, and we can get from W to Y that way. So that's what our 6 different edges represent here. This is just a nice little way of summarizing that into a little paragraph or into a little sentence. Cool, so that's all those questions there, guys. If you have any questions for us, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.